Good morning. I am D. Gopi, lecturer in Commerce, Government Degree College, Bodhan. So today discuss BCom 6th semester. Subject is Managerial Accounting. So chapter name is Marginal Costing. So already last class we have discussed 20 problems are completed. Now 23rd problem explained. So 23rd problem is this is కాకతీయ సిమెంట్స్ వారికి సంబంధించిన వివరాలు ఈ క్రింద విధంగా ఉన్నాయి. అమ్మకాలు 10 tons rupees 5 lakhs. చరవేయపు ముడి పదార్థాలు వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ మెటీరియల్స్ 1 lakh, వేజెస్ 50,000, డైరెక్ట్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ 10,000, ఫిక్స్డ్ ఎక్స్పెన్సెస్ 3 lakhs. So total variable expenses are 1,60,000. Profit is 40,000. So we are calculate profit value break even point BEP లాభ నష్ట రహిత బిందువు P/V రేషియో MSS రక్షణావధి ₹50,000 లాభం ఆర్జించటకు అమ్మకాలు 90,000 అయినప్పుడు లాభం కనుక్కోండి అన్నాడు. సో మనకి ఇవన్నీ ఇచ్చాడు క్వశ్చన్లో. మనం క్వశ్చన్ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసుకున్నాం కాబట్టి క్వశ్చన్లో ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయనేది ముందుగా మనం నోట్ చేసుకుందాం. సో సేల్స్ ఆర్ 5 lakhs. నెక్స్ట్ వేరియబుల్ కాస్ట్ చరవేయం 1,60,000. ఫిక్స్డ్ కాస్ట్ is 3 lakhs. Then profit is 40,000. So first we are calculate BEP break even point. సో లాభ నష్ట రహిత బిందును కనుక్కోవాలంటే మనకు ఈక్వేషన్ ఏంటిది? BP is equal F into S by S minus V. Fixed cost multiplication sales divided by sales minus variable cost. Here fixed cost is 3 lakhs. To sales are 5 lakhs. Next to S, sales are 5 lakhs. Variable cost is 1,60,000. So first of all, here all 3 zeros cancelled. 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros, 3 zeros. So 300 into 500, 500 minus 160. 3, 500, 340. So overall BP is equal 4,41,176. The next B. So calculate P by V ratio. P by V ratio equation. So P by V ratio equation is S minus V by S into 100. So S means sales. Sales are 5 lakhs. So 5 lakhs minus variable cost is 1,60,000 divided by sales are 5 lakhs multiplication 100. 5 lakhs minus 1,60,000, so 3,40,000. 3,40,000 divided by 5 lakhs into 100. So ratio is 3,40,000 divided by 100. P by V ratio is before multiplication 100 0.6. The next is C. Here calculate C. MSS, margin safety sales. MSS is equal equation sales minus BEP sales. Sales minus BEP sales. So sales are in this question 5 lakhs. Minus BEP sales. BEP sales is 4,41,176. So MSS is equal 58,824. So this is MSS. Next we are calculate D. Profit 50,000 అయినప్పుడు సేల్స్ ఎంత, how much? సో ఈక్వేషన్ ఈజ్ 50,000 లాభం ఆర్జించుటకు ఎన్ని అమ్మకాలు జరపాలి? సో ఈక్వేషన్ estimation sales equation is implementation. Estimation sales equation is F plus S divided by S minus V. So profit, fixed cost, here fixed costs are 3 lakhs plus estimation profit 50,000 into sales 5 lakhs divided by sales 5 lakhs, variable cost 1,60,000. So 3 lakhs in plus 50,000, 3,50,000, 3,50,000 5 lakhs divided by 3,40,000. So 3,50,000 into 5 lakhs, 1 crore 75 lakhs divided by 3,40,000. 3,40,000. So estimation sales, are 5,14,708. Next, sales are 9 lakhs. Now profit, how much? Estimation sales, equation. Estimation sales equation is F plus estimation profit divided by P by V ratio. So estimation sales are 9 lakhs is equal fixed cost is 3 lakhs plus estimation profit nil. So write down estimation profit divided by P by V ratio 0.68. So then next, crossing multiplication, 9 lakhs into 0.68. 9 lakhs into 0.68 is equal 3 lakhs plus estimation profit. So 9 lakhs into 0.68, 6 lakhs estimation profit. So the next expectation estimation profit is equal 6 lakhs 12,000 minus 3 lakhs. Estimation profit is 3,12,000. 3,12,000. So answer, first answer is 23rd question. Break even point BEP 4,41,176. So 4,41,176. Then P by V ratio 68 percentage. So P by V ratio 68 percentage or 0.68. Then next MSS. So MSS answer is C. C answer is 58,824. So 58,824. The next D. Estimation profit 50,000, sales how much? So estimation profit, estimation sales. Estimation sales are 5,14,708. How much? 3,12,000. So 3,12,000. So this is the third question.